Hello guys, so I've been using the ZapperBox for a few weeks now, and honestly, it completely changed how I watch TV at home. Coming from using Tableau TV for a while, the first thing I noticed was the picture quality. The ZapperBox picks up ATSC 3.0 signals flawlessly and upscales everything to a sharp 4K HDR image. Even shows that are technically 1080p look amazing on my TV, and the Dolby Atmos sound really makes watching sports or movies a proper experience. This is a game changer if you're used to standard TV setups, or if you're looking for a more immersive viewing experience. The 4K upscaling alone improves the overall clarity, making old shows feel fresh and crisp. And the enhanced sound quality truly transforms the viewing experience, adding depth and richness that traditional TV setups can't match. I set it up with the A1 antenna sitting in my apartment window, and ended up getting 98 channels without needing cable or any streaming subscriptions. Compared to Tableau, the ZapperBox felt way more stable. Tableau sometimes had hiccups or needed restarts, especially when recording multiple shows. But with ZapperBox, I've been recording series non-stop using the 256GB micro SD card with zero issues. The reliability of the ZapperBox is definitely one of its standout features, particularly for anyone who relies heavily on recording shows. The last thing you want is to miss a show because of technical problems, and the ZapperBox ensures that won't happen. This means fewer interruptions and more convenience, especially when recording multiple shows at the same time. Managing recordings, deleting old episodes, or handling conflicts is simple, and the playback is smooth as live TV, no lag or sync problems. This seamless experience is a huge benefit for anyone who wants to skip the hassle and just enjoy their shows. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or keeping up with new episodes, the lack of technical glitches makes for a more enjoyable and stress-free experience. I also liked how it monitors signal strength while scanning, which helps optimize reception for every channel. This feature ensures you're getting the best possible picture quality and reception, reducing the frustration of fuzzy or dropped signals. It's especially useful in areas with weak reception, where a little extra tuning can make a big difference in picture quality. Another thing I appreciate is how it works with older TVs. My 4K Sony didn't have an ATSC 3.0 tuner, so I was hesitant about upgrading. But the ZapperBox acts as the perfect bridge. I could cancel my Hulu Live TV subscription and still have a full lineup of local and next-gen channels. This is especially useful if you already have a 4K TV, but don't want to upgrade just for the latest tuner support. The ZapperBox lets you access all the benefits of next-gen TV without needing to buy a new TV. If you're like me and have invested in a high-quality TV, but want to take advantage of the newest features, the ZapperBox provides a cost-effective solution without the need to replace your existing equipment. Setup was surprisingly easy. The interface is intuitive, and support was great when I had a minor tuning issue. This level of customer service is really important, especially when dealing with tech setups that might be tricky. The simplicity of the setup process makes it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy, and the responsive customer support adds a layer of comfort, knowing that help is available when needed. What blew me away the most is cost. I was spending roughly $83 per month for YouTube TV, and now with ZapperBox, I'm paying $30 per year. It literally paid for itself in 3 months. This is a huge saving, especially when you compare it to the ongoing costs of streaming services. For anyone looking to cut costs, this is a no-brainer. The savings over time are significant, making it an excellent investment for those looking to ditch expensive cable bills or streaming subscriptions. The 2-tuner setup is enough for me, but they also have quad tuner models if you want to record more shows simultaneously. This flexibility is perfect for households with multiple people watching different shows at the same time. Whether you're juggling multiple recordings for yourself or your family, the option to upgrade to a quad tuner setup gives you that extra flexibility without having to worry about conflicts. The whole experience is straightforward and reliable, and unlike Tableau, I didn't need an app just to watch my home channels. This simplicity makes it ideal for anyone who doesn't want to deal with the complexity of managing multiple apps just to get basic TV functionality. The ability to watch and record directly through the ZapperBox, without needing additional devices or apps, makes everything much easier and more user-friendly.
Overall, using ZapperBox feels like having a next-gen TV setup without the subscription headache. It's stable, easy to use, and gives crystal clear channels, plus excellent recording options. If you're cutting the cord or just want better over-the-air performance, this is hands down one of the best OTADVR devices I've ever used. Whether you're a casual viewer or someone who records shows frequently, ZapperBox offers all the features you need at a great price point. If you're someone who values convenience, reliability, and quality without the high monthly costs, the ZapperBox is an excellent choice for upgrading your home entertainment setup.